Hey guys, I'm Cherie Criswell, independent designer for Couture. And today I'm working on another Christmas sign. And this one's going to be all about glitter. I'm doing it red and green and possibly some silver. I haven't quite made up my mind yet. I know the silver really pops on the black chalkboard. So I'll see. Let's get going. Okay, right now I'm working with a shimmer red. And this is the paste that I'm putting on, always with our tool, which is a squeegee. We have several different kinds and sizes. I'm just applying it on, taking the excess off, put it back in the jar. Now, as soon as you take it off, while it's still wet, you put the glitter on, and that's how it stays on there. Just kind of pat it lightly, and then after I do that, I take it and I just shake it around so I can fill up, make sure everything's covered with the glitter. And then actually what I did was brought it out my backyard and got rid of all the excess glitter because that stuff travels everywhere. Now in the evergreen, I decided against the green and I went with a shimmer silver. And I didn't want to paste the berries on this one, so I just used tape to mask it off. Same process. As soon as you take off the transfer while the chalk is still wet, you put on the glitter. And I did it in the corners, the left and right corner too. So you just put on the transfer and you put on the paste, and then you take the transfer off and put the glitter on. And then just take off the excess after you let it sit for just a little bit. And that's so easy. And the glitter kind of camouflages any mistakes, so it's a win-win, really. I love it. It's fun. You need to try it. And here it is, all done. And I think it turned out really pretty. I really like it. And I love it in that frame my husband made for me. It's awesome. I just can't tell you enough how much I love it. And it's easy. Merry Christmas, everyone. Bye.